Welcome back. In this video, we'll look at the logical operators supported by KX SQL. We support and, or, not, between, in and like. So let's take a look at these in action. And just note, as we go through these, each operator is hyperlinked to bring you to more examples of this for further reading if you need it. So when we want to group two conditions in the where clause and filter on where both are true, we can use and. And in this example, I'm selecting where there were 3 passengers and the vendor was DDS. Now, if I wanted to return where either one or the other is true, I can switch out and for or. And in this example, I'm selecting any rows where the tips are greater than 20 or the fare exceeded 100. And I can see in the results here, I've got cases where only one or the other of these is true. Next, we have not, which is another way to return where a condition is not matching. Remember, we also seen we can use angular brackets and exclamation mark beforehand to do this as well. We also have between, which allows you to select values within a given range. And the value type can be numbers, text, dates, or even date times. And in this example, we'll return only values that are between $10 and $20. And then we also have examples here for text, dates, as well as date times. So try them all out. Next, we can use in to list multiple values for one field. So this avoids needing multiple or clauses. For example, if I wanted to return only cash or credit, we could list them with in. And note we need to pass values in here in round brackets. The last logical operator I will show is like. And note we can use the standard SQL wildcards here. So we have a percent sign, which can represent one or multiple characters. And then we can also use underscore, which represents just a one singular character. So looking at some examples of this, if we say we want to return only payment types that begin with the letter C, when we use percent for this, we get just the cash and the credit returned. Alternatively, if we search for the word credit, replacing or with underscore, we just get credit returned. So I'm going to pause here and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be looking at the select statement in some more detail.